Good morning, dear students. Once again, today's lecture is about the tennis. We have already started the tennis, usage of the tennis, and it is known to you that in the last lecture, I have completed the usage of the present simple or present indefinite. Now today, we will start the usage of usage of present continuous. I have already told you that usage is different and structure is different. Structure means physical structure. For example, how I am physically, how the sentence is physically. Is it simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence, indefinite, perfect, and what it has its meaning. But usage means how we use and why we use. As you know that we have already completed usage of present indefinite. Now today, very important one, that is usage of present continuous. Number one, usage of present continuous is, present continuous I have already told you that present continuous, in case of present continuous we use is am, are plus ing form. Ing form means fourth form. This is according to structure. If we will see these things in any sentence, we can come to the conclusion that it is present continuous tense. Now, here we have to see where we have to use this tense. Number one, to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking. For example, I am speaking at this time and I am doing my work or teaching you the English class. If somebody will call me and he will say me, what are you doing at this time? I can say, I am teaching English to the first sem students. For example, if somebody will say me, why are you at this time? I can say that I am in the college, GDC, Dudu College. This means that present continuous shows the action going on at the time of speaking. It represents that. Number second, to express one's, this is very important, to express one's immediate personal pronouns. That means, I have already told you that this present indefinite, it is used for future tense. As I have told you that these days it is said that in modern, this English, there are only two tenses, that is present and past, because future is represented with the help of the present. That is what I want to say, that present indefinite is used to express personal pronouns. Whatever plan you have done for the future, but that should be immediate, not far away. For example, I am going to Srinagar tomorrow. That means I am going. If you will see that it is structured as present continuous. I am plus ing form, that is present continuous. But I am going to Srinagar. Srinagar here represents futureness, but very immediate futureness. Not after 1 week, after 1 month, after 1 year, no, very immediate. That is, this is used for future, but for very immediate future, present continuous is used. Number third, this tense is used This tense is used as to express an action taking place about the present time, but not necessarily at the moment of speaking. Here I told you that at the moment of speaking, but here it is not necessary that we are doing the work at that time. For example, somebody will say me, what are you doing these days? For example, these days I am writing 2 books. I have already told you. Number 1, man can be destroyed but cannot be defeated. This is a novel. It is really which I am writing these days. And another one is a grammar, that is English grammar for all. That is, but I am not writing at this time. I am writing these days. I can say I am writing the novel Man Can Be Destroyed. Man can be destroyed but cannot be defeated. And another one is, that is English grammar for all. But I am not doing that at this time, but these days. Okay, thank you. Fourth one is, this is very, very, very important. Here you have to remember that sometimes we did not use the present continuous. That is, sometimes we didn't use the present continuous. Now we have to see where we didn't use the present continuous. If we will use the present continuous, that has not the original meaning, primary meaning, that will give a secondary meaning. You will see here, the following verbs are not normally means primarily, why it gives the first meaning, primary meaning. There we didn't use these verbs for present continuous. Number 1, verbs of sense of perception. Verbs of sense are known to you that we have 5 senses, that is hear, see, smell, feel, taste. These are the 5 senses, and with them we didn't use present continuous. For example, what I want to say, for example, with hear, we can write I hear you. You can speak something, I can say, or I can say I don't hear you. But it is not that I will say I am not hearing you, that is incorrect. For example, at this time, I am teaching you. Or if I will say I am teaching you, it is correct. But you listen to what I am speaking, or what I speak. I cannot say that you are listening, that is incorrect. Otherwise, if we see that you are, if we say according to Sittiker, you are listening, but according to usage it is incorrect. I have to say you listen. I speak, not I am speaking. That is what I say, that we didn't use ing form with present continuous. Yes, you can show me some words where there is hearing, seeing, but that doesn't have the primary meaning. That may have another meaning, because I already told you that in case of English, no word has the meaning. The meaning of the words is given according to context. For example, that is what I want to say, that we cannot write hearing. We have to write hear, see, taste, smell. Not ing. I am hearing, incorrect. I am seeing, incorrect. For example, I am seeing towards you, incorrect. I am hearing you, incorrect. This ice cream is tasting well, incorrect. That is, in short, for these senses or perceptions, we use present indefinite. I hear, I see, it tastes well. Okay. Now another important one, verbs of like and dislike. Whenever we will use the verbs of like and dislike, at that time we have not once again to use ing form. fourth form. We have to use first form, that is indefinite. For example, like, dislike, love, hate, desire, want. You cannot say to somebody, I am liking you. No, I like you. I am disliking you. No, I dislike you. I am loving you. No, I love you. I am hating you. No, incorrect. I hate you. I think that you get what I have taught you. Is it clear to you? Okay. That is another one is verbs express wish. Those verbs which are used for wish, there we also didn't use the present continuous. For example, wish. We cannot write I am wishing to become doctor. I am wishing to become teacher. No, I wish to become teacher. Desire. My desire is to help the poor, not my desiring. Yeah, I am desiring. I want to go there, not I am wanting. Yes, verbs of possession. There are some verbs which show possession. Possession means to possess. मतलब किसी के पास होना. For example, possesses, own, have, contain, belong. For example, I possesses a bungalow. I possesses a car. I own a good land. I have a pen. This the jar contains water in it. That is, in short, yeah, this belongs to you, not in. There we have to use present indefinite, not present continuous. Is it clear to you? 1 second. Yes. Verbs connected with mind. There are also some verbs which are connected with the mind. There we also didn't use the present continuous. There we also use present indefinite. That is, think. You can say I think it may rain, not I am thinking. Or suppose, not I am supposing that he may be there. No, I suppose. In the same way, no. In the same way, understand, remember, believe, feel, forget, etc. I think that it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment, because I always say you that feedback is compulsory. Feedback can be positive as well as negative. Healthy criticism is necessary. For example, I will recapitulate what I have taught you. That is usage of present continuous. Usage of present continuous. Why have we used the present continuous and why we didn't use the present continuous? I told you that present continuous is used. Present continuous is used for the action which we are doing at the time of speaking. Number second, to express oneness, that is personal, immediate personal pronouns, not optional, personal but immediate pronouns. Number third, to express an action taking place about the present but not at the time of speaking. That is what we are doing these days, but it is not necessary that we are doing that at this time, at the time of speaking. Then this is the usage, that why we use the present continuous. Now we have to see that why we didn't use the present continuous. There are some verbs which we didn't use for present continuous. They are, yes, they are the following verbs. 1 second. Yes. The following verbs are those where we didn't use the present continuous, that is ing form. Number 1, verbs of sense of perception, that is hear, see, taste, smell. We didn't use present continuous with these verbs. Verbs of like and dislike, for example, like, dislike, love, hate, desire, want. In the same way, verbs express wish. There are some verbs which express the wish, and with them we didn't use the present continuous. For example, wish, desire, want. Verbs of possession in the same way, for example, possesses, own, have, contain, belong, etc. I hope that you have understood what I have taught you, but still once again I say you that if you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, you will say in the feedback. Feedback is compulsory. Okay, thank you.